Today we will learn chapter 5 Subhashit Vaibhava, Glory of Good Saying। तो इस पोइट्री में हमें टोटल 8 मंत्र दिए हुए हैं। तो इन संस्कृत लिटरेचर्स द लॉन्गेस्ट पोइट वर्क is known as Mahakavya and the smallest poet's work is known as Muktaka. Just as a single prayers in invaluables, so too are these small Muktakas. These Muktakas are saying or epigrams. These well-known and melodious form of Sanskrit literatures has the distinctive ability to service in its 4 lines the precious teachings of life in the most aesthetic manner. From these epigrams, we get the moral of ideal life and goodness. Such epigrams have been collected in this lesson. In these epigrams choose for this lesson, you will notice word with a one type of case ending. This case ending will help you in learning the Sanskrit language. On the other hand, these epigrams will also provide you with inspirations to develop the values. In them, the immortality of fame in this mortal world, greed as the basic cause of all sins, the ability to recognize friends and one's skin, the characteristics of good and bad people, etc. This will help you to make your life bright and virtuous. Next, Shobhanam Bhashitam Subhashitam. Shobhanam Bhashitam Subhashitam. This explanation is familiar, but what actually is meant by Shobhanam? Sometimes the thought is shrinking, sometimes what we have always known is expressed in a new manner. In other words, what is expressed and how it is expressed are the two aspects of the word Shobhanam. All of us have some time or the other experience how effective the reading of someone is, but in the first verb you will find the 6 characteristics of a good reader. If we are convinced that only the reputation lives on, shall we not be more careful about how we behave? What we desire or like reflect the king of persons we are. Shantim ichanti sadhavaha can be read like definitions of a good person. If we enjoy dispersed quarrel of sense of fight in the films and still think we are good, the third verbs will make us think again. तो आगे हम देखेंगे कि चैप्टर 5 का फर्स्ट श्लोक। माधुर्यम अक्षर व्यक्ति पदच्छेदस्तु सुस्वर धैर्यम लय समर्थ च षडेते पाठका गुणा। नेक्स्ट है चलम वितम चलम चितम चले जीवित यौवने चलाचलम मिदम सर्वे कीर्तिरेव हि जीवति। चलम चलम वितम चलम चित्तम चले जीवित यौवने चलाचलमिदं सर्वे कीर्तिरेव हि जीवति। मक्षिका व्रणमिच्छन्ति धनमिच्छन्ति पार्थिवाः नीचा कलहमिच्छन्ति शान्तिमिच्छन्ति साधवः। गावो गन्धर्वे पश्यन्ति वेदेः पश्यन्ति ब्राह्मणा चारेः पश्यन्ति राजानच्छमो शुभ्यामितरे जनाः। दरिद्राय धनं देयं ज्ञानं देयं जडाय च पिपासिताय पानीयं क्षुधिताय च भोजनम्। लोभात् क्रोधः प्रभवति लोभात् कामः प्रजायते लोभान्मोहश्च नाशश्च लोभो पापस्य कारणम्। तक्षस्य विषं दन्ते मक्षिकायाश्च मस्तके वृश्चिकस्य विषं पुच्छे सर्वाङ्गे दुर्जनस्य ततम्। उत्सवे व्यसने चैव दुर्भिक्षे शत्रुविप्लवे राजद्वारे श्मशाने च यस्तिष्ठ स बान्धवः। तो फर्स्ट श्लोक हम देखेंगे माधुर्यम अक्षरम व्यक्ति पदच्छेदस्तु सुस्वरः धैर्यं लय समर्थ च षडेते पाठका गुणाः। तो माधुर्यम माधुर्यम मीन्स होगा स्वीटनेस। अक्षर व्यक्ति मीन्स होगा लेटर्स। पदच्छेदस्तु मीन्स isolations of words. सुस्वर means beautiful voice. धैर्य means boldness या फिर courage. लय सामर्थ्य in keeping with beat. षडेते means 6. पाठकाः गुणाः means qualities of a readers या फिर qualities of a good readers। तो पहले हम उसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन देखेंगे। माधुर्यम अक्षरम व्यक्ति स्वीटनेस ऑफ टोन पदच्छेदस्तु सुस्वरः pronunciations of letters isolations of words धैर्यम लय समर्थम isolations of words beautiful voice courage and sense of rhythms च षडेते पाठका गुणाः। These are the 6 qualities of a readers। फिर से माधुर्यम अक्षरम व्यक्ति sweetness of tone clear pronunciations of letter पदच्छेदस्तु सुस्वरः isolations of word beautiful voice धैर्यं लय समर्थ च courage and sense of rhythms षडेते पाठका गुणाः। These are 6 qualities of a reader: sweetness of tone, clear pronunciations of letters, isolations of words, beautiful voice, courage and sense of rhythms. These are the 6 qualities of a reader. Next one is chalam vitam chalam chitam chale jivita yovane चलाचलमिदं सर्वे कीर्तिरेव हि जीवति। तो जो फर्स्ट श्लोक है उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन हम देखेंगे कि अक्षर व्यक्ति मीन्स वन शुड नॉट स्वाउस अप द सिलेबल्स इन अ हरी। पदच्छेद मीन्स होगा नॉट टू फर्स्ट वर्ड टुगेदर एंड गिव जस्ट इनफ स्पेस बिटवीन द वर्ड। नेक्स्ट श्लोक वित्तम मीन्स होगा मनी या फिर वेल्थ। Chalam. Chalam means fickle, not stable. જીવિત યૌવને, life and youth. चले. चले means fickle. चलाचलम उसका भी होगा fickles. कीर्तिदेव only the fab. Only the fab. तो चलम वितम, the wealth is transitory. चलम चलम चितम, mind is fickle. Wealth is transitory, mind is fickle. चले जीवित यौवने, life and youth are perishable, unsteady. चलाचलम idam सर्वे, all these is stable and unstable. सर्वे कीर्तिरेव ही जीवति, only the fame or reputation lives. फिर से एक बार देखेंगे. चलम चितम, wealth is transitory. चलम चितम, mind is fickle. चले जीवित यौवने, life and youth are unsteady. चलाचलम मितम, all these is stable and unstable. सर्वे कीर्तिरेव ही जीवति, only the fame or reputation lives. तो उसका मीनिंग होगा one is survived by one's reputations. According to the poet, the reputations alone lives forever. So it is more important than wealth, youth, etc. Wealth is transitory, mind is fickle, life and youth are unsteady. All these is stable and unstable. Only the fame or reputation lives. थर्ड श्लोक हम देखेंगे. मक्षिकाः वृणम् इच्छन्ति, धनम् इच्छन्ति पार्थिवाः, नीचाः कलहम् इच्छन्ति, शांतिम् इच्छन्ति साधवः. उसमें फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे वृणम. तो वृणम मीन्स होगा वुंड. पार्थिव, पार्थिव मीन्स होगा किंग. नीचा, नीचा मीन्स मीन या फिर वाइल्ड. साधवः मीन्स गुड पीपल. शांति मीन्स पियस. मक्षिका वृणम इच्छन्ति, तो उसमें आएगा हाउस फाइल्स डिजर्व वुड. धनम इच्छन्ति पार्थिवा, किंग्स डिजर्व्स वेल्थ. नीचा कलम इच्छन्ति, द विक्र डिजर्व्स क्वारल्स और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. शांति इच्छन्ति साधवा, और गुड पीपल डिजर्व्स पीयर्स. हाउस फ्लाइज डिजर्व्स वुड, किंग्स डिजर्व्स वेल्थ, द वीक डिजर्व्स quarrel or conflict, good people deserves peace. Then this mantra is when we enjoy gossiping, we are like a fly relations the wound of others. तो ये थर्ड श्लोक का हम फिर से एक बार इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन देख लेंगे. तो फर्स्ट का है स्वीटनेस ऑफ टोन, clear pronunciations of letter, isolations of word, beautiful voice, courage and science of rhythms. These are the 6 qualities of good readers. Second one is wealth is transitory, mind is fickle, life the youth are unsteady. All these is stable and unstable. Only the fame or reputations live. Third one is house flies deserves wound, king deserves wealth, the weak deserves quarrel or conflict, or good people deserves peers. Fourth slok is गावो गंधवे पश्यन्ति वेदेः पश्यन्ति ब्राह्मणा चारे पश्यन्ति राजा न चक्षुभ्यो मितरे जनाः. गावो means cows. गंधवे means by scent. Pashyanti means see. Chare means be spies. Itare jana means common people. And Chaturbhyam Chakshusha means with the two eyes. तो उसका ट्रांसलेशन देखेंगे. गावो गंधवी पश्यन्ति. Cow see by smell. Understand the things. Cow see, understand the things by smell. Vede pashyanti brahmanaha. Brahmins see by Vedas. Brahmana see by their knowledge of Vedas. Chare pashyanti raja. Chare pashyanti raja. Kings see throughout their spines, and akshubhyamitare janaha. Common people see with their eyes. Cows see, understand the things by smell. Brahmins see by their knowledge of Vedas. Kings see throughout their spies. Common people see with their eyes. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे फिफ्थ श्लोक. दरिद्राय धनम देयम ज्ञानम देयम झोड़ाय च पिपासिताय पानीयम क्षुधिताय च भोजनम. दरिद्राय means to the poor. Deyam means should be given. Next, jhodaya, to be ignorant. Pipasitaya, to the thirsty, और क्षुधिताय means to the hungry. तो हम उसका ट्रांसलेशन देखेंगे. दरिद्राय धनम देयम, the poor should be given money. ज्ञानम देयम जड़ाय च, and the ignorant should be given knowledge. Pipasitaya paniya, water should be given to the thirsty, and kshudhitaya cha bhojanam, and food should be given to the hungry. The poor should be given money, and the ignorant should be given knowledge. Water should be given to the thirsty, and food should be given to the hungry. This mantra, we should given others what they need most. The receiver's need should decide the nature of our gift. The right gift can be chosen only if we have genuine interest in the other person for whom it is meant. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे 6 श्लोक. लोभात् क्रोधात् प्रभवति, लोभात् कामो प्रजायते, लोभान् मोहश्च नाशश्च, लोभम पापस्य कारणम. तो उसमें में फर्स्ट देखेंगे लोभात् मीन्स होगा फ्रॉम ग्रेडी. प्रभवती means originates. Kam means deserves. Next one is mohosya, temptations. Next one is narasya. Narasya means होगा destructions or runs. पापस्य मीन्स ऑफ द सीन। तो फर्स्ट हम उसका देखेंगे ट्रांसलेशंस। लोभात क्रोधात प्रवृत्ति, एंगर ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम ग्रीडी, लोभात कामो प्रजायते, डिजर इज बोर्न आउट ऑफ ग्रीडी, लोभान मोहस्य नाशस्य, टेम्पटेशंस एंड डिस्ट्रैक्शंस आर caused by greedy, लोभो पापस्य कारणम, greedy is the cause of sin, anger originates from greedy, desire is born out of greedy, temptations and distractions are caused by greedy, greed is the cause of sin. This mantra are: greed is the desires from whatever is not legitimately ours. When we don't get it, we are angry. Think of the declarations like Hitler, Nippon, and what caused their downfall. तो नेक्स्ट श्लोक हम देखेंगे 7th। तक्षकस्य विषम दन्ते मक्षिकायाश्च मस्तके, वृश्चिकस्य विषम पुच्छे सर्वांगे दुर्जनस्य ततः। तो फर्स्ट देखेंगे तक्षकस्य। तक्षकस्य मीन्स होगा ऑफ अ स्नैक। मक्षिकाया, मक्षिकाया मीन्स ऑफ फ्लाई। वृश्चिकस्य मीन्स ऑफ अ scorpions. Puchhe means in the tail. Durjanasya means of the weak. Tata means it. F stand for Sarvange means in the whole body. Sarvange means in the whole body. तो नेक्स्ट हम उसका ट्रांसलेशन देखेंगे। तक्षकस्य विषम दंते, the snake has poisons in its teeth. The snake has poisons in its teeth. Makshikaya mastake, the fly has poison in its head. Vrushikasya visham puchhe, the scorpion has poison in its tail. Sarvange durjanasya tata, a weak person's whole body is full of poisons. A weak person is more poisonous than a snake, a fly and a scorpions. नेक्स्ट वन देखेंगे उत्सवे व्यसने चैव दुर्भिक्षे, शत्रु विप्लवे राजद्वारे, श्मशाने च यस्तिष्ठति सह बांधवः। उत्सवे, उत्सवे means during the festivals. व्यसने means in difficulties. दुर्भिक्षे means in the famine. राजद्वारे means in the war. राजद्वारे means at the door of the king. At the door of the king. Shatru Viplave means in the war with enemies. Shmashane means here in the crematoriums. Bandhava means relatives. तो उत्सवे व्यसने चैव, one who stand in the festivals as well as in the calamity. Next, दुर्भिक्षे शत्रु विप्लवे, feminine war with the enemies. राजद्वारे श्मशाने and in the royal assembly as well as in the यतिष्ठस बांधवो, crematorius is relatives. one who stand in the festival as well as in the calamity. Feminine war with the enemies and in the royal assembly as well as in the crematorium is relative. One who shared our happiness as well as sorrow is our relatives in real sense of the term. Not that व्यसन दुर्भिक्षे राष्ट्रविप्लवे स्मशाने are indicatives of sorrows. These are more in numbers that Utsav or Rajadwar that indicate happy events. One goes to the royal assembly to accept a reward or title. तो एक बार हम फिर से उसका ट्रांसलेशन देख लेंगे. फर्स्ट हमें दिया है माधुर्यम अक्षरम पदच्छेदसु स्वीटनेस ऑफ टोन क्लियर प्रोनाउंसिएशंस ऑफ लेटर isolations of word beautiful voice courage and signs of rhythms. These are the 6 qualities of a good reader. तो आज हम हमारा चैप्टर 5 यहीं तक देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम उसकी एक्सरसाइज और उसका रिवाइज करेंगे. थैंक यू.